If you are wondering if we have gallery on Google Pixel 10a, then the answer is yes, although the app itself is named Photos instead of Gallery. So this is the app that we are talking about. It is still pretty much a gallery. It has all the features that a typical gallery has. So of course you should be able to look at your photos in here and your videos as well. You can also tap on these photos that you have in here and you can edit them, so you can find many different editing options that you can go through, and of course you can save these edited photos quite easily. So of course we also have the collections over here, so you can create an album in here, you can find screenshots, videos, you can use the locked section to lock and private your photos and videos, and so on and so forth. So this is what we can use on Google Pixel 10a. Besides that, we also have the Files app, which is the file manager, and of course in here we can also find our images and our videos that we have specifically on our phone, so you can access all your photos and videos in here as well. But this is more like I said, like a file manager instead of gallery. So for gallery purposes, you probably want to use this Photos app. Leave a like and subscribe.